In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with a character on Character AI. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to the Character AI website. Once the page loads, take a moment to let everything appear fully on screen so it's easier to navigate. This platform lets you interact with a wide range of AI characters, so the homepage is usually designed to help you quickly discover different options. When you're on the site, look to the top right corner and select either Login or Sign Up. If you already have an account, choose Login and enter your details. If you're new to the platform, choose Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Make sure you complete this part carefully, since being signed in is what allows you to access chats and interact properly with the characters available on the site. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main area of the platform. From here, you can browse through the home page to explore featured characters, trending options, or categories that may match your interests. If you already know what kind of character you want to talk to, you can use the search function to find one more quickly. This is especially helpful if you're looking for a specific style of conversation, personality type, or theme. Once you find a character that interests you, click on the character card. This will open the chat window, where your conversation will take place. Before you type anything, it's a good idea to look over the layout so you can identify the message area and understand where your responses will appear. The chat window is where all of your interaction happens, so getting comfortable with it from the start makes the experience smoother. Now you're ready to begin. Click into the text bar at the bottom of the chat window, type your prompt, and press enter to send it. Your prompt can be a question, a greeting, a request, or the start of a longer conversation. Try to be clear with what you want, since well-written prompts often lead to better responses. That's all it takes to start chatting on Character AI. Open the site in Chrome, sign in, or create an account, find a character you want to talk to, open the chat, and send your first message. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very simple and quick to repeat.